Wow! Woo.
What up everybody, Paulhewson again at your service. Welcome again for another video, and for today's video we'll be making another video.
Putang ina mo, ginagawa mo!
Video, what the hell? Anyway, so for today's video, as you can see on my intro, I got plenty of boxes, and for sure you already know we will be unboxing today. Another unboxing. This one for me is the dopest, the hot, the very super duper super hot unboxing videos of mine, because today it is not just Jordan 1s that I'll be unboxing. I'll be unboxing different shoes, you know. And without further ado, let's start the unboxing video. So I just transferred some of the box right in here. So I got a green leaking table right here.
Ginagawa mo!
Yeah. So I'll just open this one.
Putang ina mo, ginagawa mo!
Let's do the unboxing. Before I show to all of you this one, I'm just gonna tell you that this one is not a shoe, so you won't be like, oh,
ginagawa mo!
you're not really excited like me. But I thought this one is a shoe, but it's not. So let me show you now. So these are one of my collections. Aside from shoe, I am collecting this. I am collecting Funko Pop. One, I get two, I get three, I get four. So I got 4 Funko Pop collection right in here, and I think I got 2 more, but I've sent it to the Philippines. That is sad to say, but it's okay. That's 2 of them is like Lebron James, if I'm not mistaken. Let me just show it to all of you. Yeah, Michael Jordan, UNC Funko Pop 74, right there. And then Jordan, there, gold Jordan. Then another one, Jordan, the same as the gold, but wearing the red jersey, Chicago jersey. And this one is the Lebron James, baby, with the damn beard right here. Huge fan, baby. So now that we have unboxed this one, I can guarantee you the next boxes right here, the 5 boxes, these are all for sure.
Oh, come on, man.
All of those are shoes. Okay, so let's move on. I'm tired standing up, so let's sit down while opening these boxes. Dun, 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 dun. Jordan.
Wow!
So as expected, it is Jordan. What Jordan is this? Jordan Low SE. So I will unbox it in front of you right away. And 3, 2, 1. Damn, I got the pink SE Black Active Fuchsia, Neon Fuchsia, whatever. But yeah, and it has extra lace right in here. Let me just show to all of you right here. Jordan pink. Fade right here, man. It's fade. Fade. The extra lace is black right here. White. Yeah. It's really nice, man. Really nice. Well, this is the first shoe, so let's move on. Let's move on. This can't be. Damn. You see that one? You see? Nike. It's not Jordan 1 low. I think it's... Let me just get it. Oh, Jordan 1 Curd Purple. But before I open this one, since this is my first Jordan 1 high OG, I will open this one last. But we'll see. I'm so excited. This is my first one, but let's open another one first. This one is
Wow.
bubbles? No, I'm just kidding. Oh, Jordan. I'm still excited opening Jordan 1, but the thing is, I'm more excited for this one, so let's just open this right away and show to all of you that this is Jordan 1 Low Gym Red. Oh, okay. Oh, I ordered this on StockX, one of the bidding site. Aside from Goat, there's also they also have StockX, one of the bidding site. I'm not sure who owns it, but yeah, they gave me a Supreme card. Some of the, like a letter from StockX CEO, Mr. Scott Cutler, the CEO of StockX. Thank you, sir. Peace to you. And the revelation sign. Oh my goodness. And it has the authentication or verified authentic. What am I talking? Verified authentic. Let me show it all right here. Verified authentic. Yeah, verified authentic pin or whatever. What's this? But yeah, this is the shoe. The Gym Red Jordan 1 Low. It's a bit the same on the Jordan Red that I have right in here. I forgot the name, but let me just get this one and let me try to see what's the difference between this and the other Jordan Red that I have. Let me try. Noble Red. Noble Red. It's not really the same red. This one is Gym Red. Right here, the Gym Red. And then this one is the Noble Red. This one is just pure white and red. Nothing else, nothing more. Yeah. But this are the Noble Red colors with the black swoosh. The black Air Jordan logo right there. And the black Jordan logo right here. But this just pure white. You cannot see any other colors aside from white and red. Yeah, that's just the difference between the two. And let me put it back and let's move on the fourth box. So this is the fourth shoe box, because the first one that we open is the Funko Pop. So this is the fourth box for the shoe, but the fifth box that we unboxed today. Now let's open it. What in the world? Finally, man. Finally, Ariel happened to me.
Finally, Ariel happened to me.
Yeah, man, I'm so excited about this. But let me show you, because for sure you are like, what the hell is that? What is that? Come on, man, come on. But yeah, here it goes. Aww. You see the box? You know what that is? You know what that box is? You know what that box? Huh? 50. That's 350. Oh my goodness. Here, man, come on. It's the Yeezy 350 Boost. Oh man, sorry, my bad. Yeezy Boost 350. Made by Adidas. Oh my goodness, man, it's my first time receiving or having this kind of shoe, so I'll put it on the side first and reveal it to all of you later, including this. And let's decide. Let's just open the last box. It's kind of big box. This is the biggest box that we got from today's unboxing. So without further ado, let's open it now. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Man, when I opened the box, this is what I saw. Just this. Just this part right here. Like that. Just this part. Just this part right here. This one. And I already know what shoe is this. But let's just try to check. This is the Nike receipt. Yeah, it came from Nike, and it's a Lebron 17. Man. Another Lebron. Damn. Another Lebron. Well, if you've been following me on IG, or if you are my friends on Facebook, I shared some of my unboxing before I do vloggings, and I opened my the first release of Lebron, the white and black. Not sure what that is. What's the color? But yeah, and then I opened the Lebron Lakers, the second release, and then after I unboxed the Lebron 17 Future Air, the limited edition one. Yeah. But now I got the fourth Lebron 17. Now the hardest part is, I don't know which of these three should I open first.
Wow.
I really don't know. It's the hardest part. But since these two, it's my first shoe that I got. I haven't have this kind of shoes before, and that's what I already have. So I'll open this one first. I'll open this one first, and then we may take a sneak peek. I've been wishing to have this, but now I finally got it. Anyway, the revelation is it has this. Wait a second. It has this. Let me try to open it and let's get a closer look. Got the Lebron logo right there, Nike logo, uninterrupted, and it has this cover right here, right there, more than an athlete logo right here, and then uninterrupted logo, same as this, and then it has a white one, still the same, but the logo is right here, and then the interrupted is right here, and then more than an athlete, the same, and it has this Sharpie, the blue one and the black one. I don't know what's the real purpose of that thing on these Sharpies, but well, we'll see then. Let's unbox the real one. In 3, 2, 1. Finally.
Wow!
Ginagawa mo!
The damn smell. Whew. Thank God. Yeah, let me give you a closer look. Yeah, there's a Nike swoosh right there. Anyway, then like detailed part right here, the black right there. But this Nike swoosh check mark. Then it has a Lebron logo right here with, what is this? Knit, I don't know how to read it, but I think it's knit posite, or I don't know, but yeah. And then the front, the logo, Lebron, uninterrupted. And the best part is this one right here. This, you gotta put it right in here. This is the purpose of this one. You can like switch and switch and switch whatever you want. Then here, yes, you can see now right there. Or if you want just all blue, you can just put all blue right here, or if you want just all white, just all white. And if I'm not mistaken, since it is a collaboration between LeBron James shoes and then the uninterpreted, maybe the reason they provided these markers is that, like, if you want to sign your shoes or whatever, if you want someone to sign it, maybe that's the purpose, but I really don't know. But yeah, I think so. Now let's move on. Now I am stuck between this Jordan 1 High OG and the Yeezy Boost 350. I got most of my shoes are Nike, so I decided to open this Jordan High OG and then I'll open this Yeezy Boost 350 last. Okay, revelation time. Are you excited? You excited?
Putang ina mo, ginagawa
No,
mo.
no, answer me.
Oh,
first. Are you
come
excited?
on, man.
Okay, gotcha.
Gago!
Well, let's open it in 3, 2, 1. It's the Jordan 1 High OG Kirk Purple is right here in front of you. Can you see it? Here, can you see it? It has extra lace. The purple lace, and the black lace is on right here. Purple right here. Black swoosh, black lace, black right here. Nike Air, then Jordan logo. Oh damn! It's my first time having Jordan 1 high cut, so I'm a bit excited to wear if this one is comfy or not, but we'll see on this. But yeah, this is the shoe. This is the shoe. This is the shoe. And this is the shoe. Yeah. Why keep on saying this is the shoe? They all know this is the shoe. You all know? You know? Okay, good, good. Yeah, this is the shoe, man. Right here. Yeah. Let's put this one right here first. And then I know you're excited. You are all really excited for this. Me, I am 101% or 101 times your excitement. So let's open this. Oh. I know you can't see anything because it's wrapped. Because most of my videos or most of the box that I open, they are wrapped like this. So I know, baby. I know. Well, the revelation is here. No, let me check what's the name of the shoe. They have. It's the Yeezy Boost 350 version 2 linen. And before I will gonna show to all of you this linen Yeezy Boost 350, I'm just gonna tell you that I bought this one on the retail price when they actually release it on that specific day, but I'm so lucky that I finally get. I'm so emotional. I just don't know what to say. Anyway, let's move on. And here is the Yeezy Boost 350 version 2 linen. Let me just get it so all you can see. Right here, man. Right here. You see, it's a collaboration between Kanye West, I think, and Adidas. Still has a tag. Yeah, bro. Let me smell it.
Putang ina mo, ginagawa mo.
Let me show you to all of you once again because my cousin really likes Yeezy. My cousin Mark Francis Curl, shout out to you, and to his brother Mark Daniel Curl, and to their sister as well, to Angel Curl. Shout out to the three of you, and to your family, to Curl family. Shout out. Yeah, once again, let me show it to all of you. Whew. Man, another successful unboxing. They're exciting shoes, another different shoes that is being unboxed. And also, folks, if you want to like unbox a specific shoe that you like, you can also DM me or just comment on the comment box below. Comment whatever shoe you want me to unbox, and we'll see, maybe I can try to buy those shoes. And then if you have any suggestions on another content, different content aside from unboxing, you can also comment or DM me or whatever. I can check on that one as well. No need to worry for all of you, you know. I just don't know what to say. That's all I keep on saying, is I really don't know what to say. The reason is that who would have thought I can have all of these shoes? See? Who would have thought? You know? Well, I'm just gonna end my vlog right in here, and for those who are watching and haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to click the notification bell button to be updated as well on my next upload videos. And also you can follow me on my IG account as well, you know. And also don't forget to like and share the vibes for everyone, so everyone can see. Whew. Well, take care everyone. Adios. And as well, don't forget to pray and thank God. Peace out, baby. Till next time. Oh. Anyway, bye bye. Till next time. Babushka.